Crash course in food safety. Did you know that an estimated 48 million people get sick from foodborne illness every year? That's why we're here today to give you 10 essential tips for food safety. Whether you're cooking at home or eating out, these tips will help keep you and your loved ones healthy and protected. 1. Research restaurants before you eat there. Look for food safety ratings, health department reports, and online reviews to ensure you're eating at a safe and clean establishment. 2. Wash your hands frequently, especially before and after handling food. Use warm water and soap, and scrub for at least 20 seconds to get rid of germs. 3. Clean all surfaces and utensils thoroughly, especially when switching between raw and cooked foods. Use hot water and soap, and sanitize cutting boards and countertops regularly. 4. Store food at the proper temperature, either in the refrigerator or freezer. Cook meat, poultry, and eggs to the appropriate temperature to kill harmful bacteria. 5. Check expiration dates and use-by dates when shopping for food, and store food properly to avoid contamination. 6. Avoid cross-contamination by using separate cutting boards, utensils, and plates for raw and cooked foods. And always wash your hands after handling raw meat. 7. Store leftovers properly, and consume them within 2 to 3 days. Reheat leftovers to an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit to kill any bacteria that may have formed. 8. Thaw food safely in the refrigerator, the microwave, or in cold water. Never thaw food on the counter, as this can lead to bacterial growth and contamination. 9. When buying packaged foods, look for signs of damage or tampering, such as dented cans or broken seals. Don't buy or consume food that is past its expiration date or has a strong or off odor. 10. If you have a food allergy, make sure to check ingredients labels and ask about potential allergens when eating out. Always carry your medication and be prepared in case of an allergic reaction. And there you have it, 10 essential tips for food safety. Remember, taking the time to protect your food can mean the difference between a healthy meal and a trip to the doctor. So always be mindful of what you're eating and how you're handling it. Thanks for watching.